welcome to our world. This is what we lovingly call the chicken shed. It used to be a chicken house, and now it is just a unorganized mess. But thanks to Fleximount, today we are going to start organizing and making over our shed, and cannot wait to be able to actually find things in here. Okay, the shed is cleared out. It's a little bit colder this morning, so we're getting a heater going, but we are super grateful. Fleximount sent us this freestanding shelf. This one measures 48 inches by 24 inches deep by 72 inches tall. But we're just super excited. We really can't wait to be able to find things in our shed. Okay, we're gonna get ready to put this together. Pretty fun. They give you all the tools you need, even this cute little rubber mallet. Okay, this shelf is incredibly beefy. According to their literature, each shelf can hold 220 pounds, 1,100 total. It comes with brackets so that we can attach this to the wall, but I really, anything with the Fleximount has always been fantastic, so we're just truly impressed with this. So we're gonna get it put onto the wall and load it up and be super excited to be able to find things in our shed. Okay, this shelf is beefy. So we have our reorganization project complete, and the shelves that Fleximount sent us just worked out fantastic. So this is the 48-inch shelf, and here is the 2-pack of the 2x6 shelves. Just absolutely amazing how much stuff that we put on here. So if you're looking for a way to organize your garage, your shed, your workspace, your workshop, definitely check out the Fleximount shelving systems. It has been a life-changing event here at the Rosendahl house.